Trying to get a little bit of a view here. Looks like looking up one of the river basins here. All the way up and around. It's a beautiful country. Slight breeze. I'd say it's probably 65, 60 degrees today. And down there you can kind of get a view. Looks like a little bit of a placer mine in along the creek there. I wonder if that's the one in the GPA thing. Anyway, we'll have to go down and investigate. And you can kind of get up. It's interesting. And there's a great big one way off in the distance over there. You can kind of get a view of it. I think that's what it is anyway. Kind of get a better view.